Good day to all of you. I would like to welcome all of you to this session. Uh, my name is Uthman Omran Khalifa, and I'm going to present a paper with the title Deep Learning for Emotional Spatial Recognition in the 7th International Conference on Electronic Devices, Systems, and Applications. This is my presentation outlines. I would like to introduce the topic. Also, I would like to highlight the motivations behind that. Research work will be presented as well. Also, I'm going to mention the methodology and present the proposed solutions with the results and discussion. And I'm going to end with the conclusions. As you know that in the recent years, the researches has been conducted extensively in the spatial recognition to build on how the human brain-like systems and how to be interacted with the machines. And you know that the human brain has been main inspiration of the making the most interaction and link systems. Of course, the human speech carries many complex non-linguistic information behind that, and to have an efficient and effective machine learning, we have to take care of many parameters. This is the motivations. Of course, the spatial recognition can be used in many applications, but the quality the most important one. And all the research should focus on how to make the human voice as natural as well. And of course, this is facing a lot of challenges. Mainly how to communicate the man with the machine. And as I told you that this kind of research has getting a lot of attention from researchers. This is some of the network which involve emotion theory, deep learning, and of course database, and also the machine. This is also some of the related work. Of course, I'm not going to go in details, but I'm going just to highlight a few things here. The first one with MF Al-Ghafari, the limitations was very poor performance and achieves only 20% or 23%, only. Uh, Also, others also has a lot of lack of information, or sometimes the proposed model slow or using the real neural network and so on. Of course, to implement this kind of research, we have to have methodology as well as data collection, and we use many data like real data, also or production casting data, and data collection also from actor. This is my proposal or our proposal solution. We're going to start with the database. We have to go through the processing, the training, as well as we want to use the deep learning here. We're going to use the convolution neural network with convolution layer, activation function, and pooling the database as well. This is the outcome result actually. This is just showing the data and how the leak come out, and then we have to how to solve it also. So this is data splitting. What we did, we have to train data, validate data, and testing data. The other one, the data confusion overfitting, and also we try to come up with the solution for data splitting. We split also male and female as well as change the model. When you apply the proposed algorithm, this is what we got actually with the female 5 classes, around 50%, male 5 classes, 2 classes, and 3 classes. And this is the results of the underfitting of the proposed data. This is the data augmentation, where you have to have the pitch tuning, noise adding, and time shifting. And this is the hybrid methods we used, where we improve the result almost 90%. This is the combined result of summary of different methods. We have few models here, where we use the different classes and different adding. This is the conclusion. As you know that a neural network was conducted and demonstrated, and database also used successfully, proposed deep learning architecture also implemented, and we achieved the accuracy around to 93 to 95%, depending on the classes. That's it. Because of the time constraint, I try to fit with the 5 minutes already. Thank you very much, and I'm happy to listen to your Q&A.